Hello and welcome back to another Vlogmas video. If you can't tell from the title, we are doing a winter glow up today and I need it, okay? I love the holidays, I love winter for the holidays and just every little Christmas thing. It really puts me in the mood and a really great spirit, but at the same time I feel very burnt out from it. So I want to kind of combat that before it gets really into the holiday season of gifting and wrapping presents and cooking and cleaning. I was hoping that this would be a bit of a self-care moment to just take care of myself and bring me back emotionally. So that is what we're doing today. And my hair is a mess. It needs some serious TLC. I put some coconut oil in it earlier today and then I just had it in a loose braid. So it's kind of just been like that all day, but like it's a mess. Oh, I forgot that there's bobby pins in. What's the worst when you like lose a bobby pin in your hair and then you use a brush? I've been using this hair oil lately as my pre-shower hair oil. It is the OGX coconut oil and it's the weightless one. I really wish I got like the thicker one, but I got this and then their Morocco oil one. Or argan oil one, I don't remember which one it is. But I remember like a few years ago I've used that argan oil one, the thicker oil, and it was so difficult to get out my hair. So I thought that these would be a little bit better, but I feel like it's just a little too light. So I just sprayed it in my hair and then I just brushed it out and then put it in a braid for the day. But yeah, I'm in a shower. So I'm going to show you my everything shower routine. We're going to do my nails, some fun makeup, and just some other fun things to do. I really need to start by washing this hair. Do you ever shower and it's just come out a different person? I love that about showers, just I always feel like 10 times better. So that was great. And then I just put some nice PJs on and I used this Bath & Body Works Warm Vanilla Sugar Lotion. This is one of my favorite scents from there. It's really basic, but it's really nice. And I like that formula. I need something just as hydrating, but not as thick. I go in with this body oil. It's from Urban Hydration. I feel like I got this like 2 years ago and I just recently started using it and it's really good. So this one is the peach and papaya scent. It's really nice. And I've actually started using this as a shaving oil in the shower and let me tell you, I will never go back to shaving cream because of that. So just so you know, this is another great option. Since I showered and the steam from the shower, I'm actually not going to use a face mister today for my skincare, but usually I do if I'm doing this type of routine. So I would mist my face for like 5 to 10 minutes and then I'm going to do some extraction. Since it's already kind of steamy in here, I'm just going to go straight to the extractions. And then before I get to that, I actually put deodorant on at night. It's a little weird, I know, but this is a clinical one. So I only put deodorant on like maybe once every 2 or 3 days. And I find with this, you really don't need more than that. Like it's a bit overkill. I'm not gonna do it today because I did shave, but the days that I don't, and I'm gonna be putting deodorant on, I go in with glycolic acid first. So I just get it like a cotton pad soaked with it, and that is enough. And that helps with like reducing how much you're sweating or smell of it too. This has changed my life. So my skin is fairly dry right now. I mean, it always is, but usually when I extract, you want your face to be somewhat moist so you can actually move the device on your skin. So I'm just gonna spray this Byoma Balancing Face Mist. Kind of does the same thing. My pores are already open from the mist, so this is just gonna keep like a nice gliding surface. Yes, my skin is looking rough, but give it a few days and it is going to look beautiful. So I just wanted to show you how gross this is, but this is everything that I was able to get. Before I get to the extreme hydration step, I'm actually going to use a exfoliator first. And this exfoliator has truly changed my life. This is the Medicube One Day Exosome Shot. This stuff is amazing. It works really, really well, but you do need to be careful with how you use it. I just did extractions. I usually pair this on my retinol days, so it kind of acts as an exfoliator, and then I do my retinol on top. Since I did extractions though, I'm not going to be using my retinol today. Just this, and then max hydration, and then we can get to my hair. This one is really fun because it like tingles, like it actually feels like little micro needles. So you just kind of rub it in like this. And I personally think I could stand the higher level one. I got the lightest one just in case it hurts, but I like it. Honestly, my face is kind of numb from the extractions, so this feels like nothing. So to finish my skincare, I'm just going with a milky toner and then my Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. This stuff is so expensive, but it has been a game changer in my nighttime routine and my daytime actually. It works as a great daytime moisturizer for me. But for the next few days, I am going to try and keep it gentle on my skin. So that's my hair routine. I like to plop it for a bit. By a bit, I mean a lot. I have gotten very lazy about blow drying my hair, but my hair looks pretty good, like the way I plop it. So I'll plop it for like 30-40 minutes, sometimes to an hour if I forget. And then I usually just let it down and air dry for like 20-30 minutes. And then I will blow dry. I'll finish it so that it is completely dry, but it just takes so long and I'm so lazy and rather do other things than dry my hair for an hour. So I'm going to just probably relax for the night. Tomorrow I am going to shave my face, do my brows and nails, which I'm very excited for. So tonight's gonna be just pretty chill, but I do feel very refreshed after that. Some of the redness has gone down from the extractions and I do feel like my skin looks pretty good. So definitely a little bit right here, but my nose is always the worst where I need to extract a bunch, and same with my chin. So I tend to get a few breakouts after, but I just like nourish my skin for like 3 to 4 days after and I'm usually back on track. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the night, and I will show my hair once I'm blow drying it as well as tomorrow morning. It's like a week later. I have not been feeling great emotionally, physically, mentally, so I just kind of took a break. I did my nails, and you should see that before this clip. I kind of stopped there for the glow up. So today we are going to shave my face, and then I'm going to do a toner in my hair in the shower, and then tomorrow will be the final, like, doing my makeup and hopefully being there. I'm just gonna start, but I can talk while I do it. So using the Good Molecules oil. I really like this face oil, and then I have a disposable shaver. I have a metal one, but I need to change the razor part and kind of just press it into my skin. And then we can just start on this side of my face. I'm gonna do my brows tonight too, but after I'll shave and then dye them after I shower. That seems to make sense to me. I like the hair right here, so I just kind of cover it up and get everything else. So after last week filming, I just have not been feeling great. Not in a good mood, or just feeling like I can't film. And that's probably why you've seen less videos lately. Look at all the hair. But I'm still gonna finish this video, and I mean, at least physically, did a little mini glow up. It definitely didn't help as much as I thought it would or intended to. Not that like I assumed it would, like, fix everything, but I thought that I would be in a better headspace now, and I'm not, so it's fine. Just going to finish. And honestly, sometimes these self-care things do help, even if it is just like a minuscule amount. It helps a little bit, and at least I'm like putting in effort and attention into taking care of myself. Oh my god, there's hair flying everywhere. I just keep a little bit of toilet paper nearby to wipe it off after each little section I do, just because it can get really dirty really quickly. This area, not really hair, but just to exfoliate, I really like how that feels. And I cannot forget the mustache. Honestly, for the brows, I'm bleeding a little bit here, but I kind of just try and get as close as I can with the razor. And then if there's anything like clearly that I can't get that's out of place, I go in with tweezers. That is how I shave my face, and now I'm going to tone my hair